The fourth color band indicates the resistor's tolerance. Tolerance is the percentage of error in the resistor's resistance, or how much more or less you can expect a resistor's actual measured resistance to be from its stated resistance. Our good tolerance band is 5% tolerance, silver is 10% tolerance, and no band that low but me not 20% tolerance.
Hola, soy Dora. Do you want to learn more? Say yes, Dora. Yes. I can't hear you. Great. Let's start. Help me get to the mountain. Help me to solve the first problem in the jungle. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Great! Let's get our backpack. Say backpack.
Backpack, 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 backpack. On the backpack loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for you.
Let's figure out the band. This is the first band. The second band. The third one is multiplier. And the fourth and last is tolerance. Let's try to solve this. Since the yellow has 4 significant figures and violet has 7 significant figures, so there are 47. Multiply the 47 to brown, which is 10.47 times 10 equals 470. Now to tolerance. Always change the percentage into decimal. 10% equals 10. Now we get the decimal multiply the 470 to 10. 470x 10 equals 47. Now let's get the maximum and minimum. First the maximum ... To solve this you just need to add the 470 and 47. 470 plus 47 equals 547. Now to minimum, you just need to subtract 470 to 47. 470 47 equals 423. And that's your answer.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up! We did it! We crawled through doggy doors with our little pups. We did it! We did it! We did it!
Now let's go to the river. Hi again. Now let's talk about 5-band and 6-band. It's just like the 4-band. We will not talk about it first because let's focus on 4 bands. Are you ready to go to the mountain with me? I can't hear you. Great! Now try to solve this. And after that, I have a present for you. Get ready, set, go.
Let's go! Dora, 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 the explorer! Dora! It's a super cool exploradora! Need your help! Grab your backpack! Let's go! Jump in! Vámonos! You can lead the way! Hey! Hey! Dora, 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 swipe it out, swipe me! Swipe it out, swipe me!
Oh man!
Dora the explorer!
And the result is